In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to save all of your TikTok videos before the ban. Now, as you might know, TikTok is getting banned on the 19th of January, and that means all of your access to your videos, your pictures on TikTok might be lost if you don't download all of them. So in this video, I'm going to show you in simple steps how to do that. I'm going to show you 3 ways. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is to open your TikTok app and click on the bottom right corner. We have 3 dots on there. You just want to click on those, and once you do that, you're going to be given a couple of options. The second option says to save video. You just want to click on that and your video is going to be saved automatically. Now, this is the fastest way to do it, and your video is going to be free from watermark, and that's right about it. So that's the easiest way to do that. The second option is to download all of your data. If you click on the top right corner, the 3 icon mark, you just want to go over to your account and click on account information. Once you do that, you're going to be redirected to this page where you can request your data to be downloaded. Now, there are 2 options. You can select your data to download or select file format. Now, for most of you want to save your video data, so you want to click on all data and click on custom, which allows you to specify exactly what video you want to, what elements you want to download. I'm just going to click on profile and posts, and that includes all videos, reels, pictures on your TikTok. So once you do that, click on done and click on request data. You're going to be redirected to this page where it says your data request is being processed. You just want to click on download, and remember to do this immediately, otherwise it might not work. So once you do that, you will need to verify your account. So a code will be sent to your email address. What you want to do is input that code in there. Once you do that, you're going to be able to download the video. So I'm just going to do that and just wait it out a little bit. As you can see, I've been redirected to this page. I'm going to click on download. At first, it might not work. As you can see, I have a server error. So what you want to do in that case is just to try again and click on download now. And as you can see, it's now impossible. I'm just going to click on download. And after a couple of minutes, depending on how large of files you have, it might take a long time, or you might get it in a couple of minutes, right? So you just need to wait it out. Now, for most of us on TikTok, we use CapCut to edit our video. It's important to remember that CapCut is a member of the ByteDance company, which provide TikTok services and CapCut as well. So it is very likely that CapCut is also going to be banned following the TikTok ban. Now, there are some good video editors alternatives out there. One of my favorites is Captions, which is a great option for an alternative for TikTok. So if you've never used Caption before, all you need to do is go over to your app store and in the search bar just type in Captions. It's a wonderful app that can edit your videos. You can add effects and subtitles, things like that. So here's the interface of the application. It's very easy to use, just like CapCut, and you should have no trouble using that. So yeah, so that's basically all of the options you can use. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Thank you for watching.